Sri Bhagwati, manufacture customized, vial labeling machine with shrink tunnel. Vial labeling with a shrink tunnel involves a process where labels are applied to vials, and then heat is used to shrink the labels tightly around the vials. Here's a step-by-step overview of the process. 1. Label application. Label material. Shrink sleeves are typically made of materials like PVC, PETG, or OPS. Application method. Labels are either pre-cut and manually placed or applied by a machine that wraps the shrink sleeves around the vials. 2. Heat shrinking. Shrink tunnel. The vials with the applied labels pass through a heat shrink tunnel. Heat source. The tunnel uses hot air, infrared radiation, or steam to heat the shrink sleeves. Temperature control. The tunnel's temperature is carefully controlled to ensure the labels shrink uniformly without damaging the vials or the contents. This method is widely used in the pharmaceutical, cosmetic, and beverage industries due to its effectiveness and the high-quality appearance of the final product. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email address.